In this video, we are going to see how we can get rid of this green tick on the desktop icons. That means it is directly backed up on the OneDrive, and I don't want that. So if you want to unsync all of these desktop icons, here's how you can easily do it. So what we do is just go to the bottom, and where you see this hidden icons option, this little arrow sign, you click on that, and from here you will either choose OneDrive icon, or otherwise it can appear here down in the taskbar as well. So you choose that and it will show you all of these options. And on the right hand side we can see this little gear icon. Click on that, and here it shows you the option of pause syncing. So you pause it for, let's say, 8 hours. So currently it's now paused, but we need to quit OneDrive from here. And it says, are you sure you want to close OneDrive? We'll confirm it closing, and now it will no longer sync all of your files. As you can see, the green tick is now removed from every single file here. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.